Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Friday. We're speeding towards the weekend, and I just wanted to show you an interesting lot we have just received for our upcoming classic car and motorcycle auction. It is this car here. It is a 1967 MG Midget. I know what you're thinking. Where's the rest of it? Well, we do have the rest of it. The gentleman that owned it, I think he thought it was beyond his capabilities to finish this restoration project. He's owned the car, him and his wife have owned the car since 1997. So there we are. He's done much of the work. As you can see, the rear has been painted. The engine bay, the welding has been done. And over here, just mind my Ferrari there, just over here are boxes and boxes of the rest of the Midget. And down here is a rebuilt engine. So all you've got to do is put it back together. Easy. Bonnet there,